Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your boards. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give a login details, and log into your Pinterest account. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Search, Create, Inbox, and Saved. Now under Saved, you can see there are two options, Pins and Boards. All you have to do is go to Board, and there you go. There you can find your board. And guys, that's it. That's how you find your board in Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.